In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix website. If you no longer need a website on Wix, the process is pretty straightforward. But it's important to understand what happens when you remove it. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to move a site to the trash, what that means for your published website, and how to permanently delete it right away if you don't want to wait. To begin, go to Wix and log into your account. Once you are signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where all of your sites are listed. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the correct website. Especially if you manage more than one, deleting the wrong site can be frustrating. So it's worth double-checking before you continue. Next, locate the site you want to delete from your dashboard. You should see the site thumbnail along with options related to that specific website. When you've found the correct one, look for the Site Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots next to the site thumbnail. Click that icon to open the menu. From the menu, choose Move to Trash. Wix will then ask you to confirm the action. Click Move to Trash again to confirm. As soon as you do that, the site is instantly unpublished. That means it will no longer be visible to visitors online, which is useful if you want to take the site down right away without permanently deleting it yet. At this point, your website is in the trash rather than gone forever. Wix keeps trashed sites for 90 days, which gives you a recovery window in case you change your mind or realize you removed the site too soon. That built-in delay can be helpful if you are cleaning up your account but still want a little safety net. If you want to permanently delete the site immediately instead of waiting for the 90-day period, go to the Trash folder using the left side menu. Inside the Trash folder, find the specific site you moved there. Then click the 3 dots next to that site and choose Remove Site. This will permanently delete it from your account, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.